I've had you change a lot of settings and do a lot of different things in the sandbox when we're using Photoshop, and I taught you a lot of skills. But there's some things left. And one of the things, hey, look at this document. I have two normal layers, a touch-up and some text. Now, it's very unusual for me not to convert these to smart objects, not to use camera raw, not to do stuff. So I can only assume I don't remember the day I made this. But looking at the layer stack, I know exactly what I did. Is I duplicated, well, in between layer 1 and layer 6 means I tried 4 other things. 2, 3, 4, and 5 are gone. And then layer 6, I just said, oh, heck with it. I'm going to jump this layer, rotate it 180 degrees, because that's what happened here, because notice here the red's on the lower left and here it's in the upper right. Okay, so I rotated that, and what does that mean? This is still red, this is still red. Well, you have to look at the blending mode. I'm going to click on layer 6 and go, whoa, look at that, subtract. What the hell is subtract? Heck, doggone it, what is subtract? Well, just know that changing these blend modes does some really unusual things, depending on what you pick. And sometimes it works a little wonder. And so I've got this finished product. What's this touch-up layer? Watch right here in this O. When I click, look at the O. That is really distracting. So I took that away. I probably should have took that little part away too, so it didn't look like a Q with the tail on the wrong side. But the point in going through this is preserve your layers. And it's probably a good idea to name your layers, but in this case, this layer 6 provides evidence that I did 4 other things that didn't work. I have no idea what those 4 other things were because I didn't save those layers. All right? So let's come back, and I want to take you through some things, and I definitely want you to set your preferences and start to build a custom workspace if you haven't already, and I'll help you with those steps.